quackduck here, and I am showing you how to make a freaking, What's up guys, it's quackduck here. Today I'm going to show you how to stream. So yeah, first of all you want to open Streamlabs, you know, because what else are you going to stream on, guys? Like, who the heck uses OBS Studio? JK, I know a lot of you use it, sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. First of all, when you've opened it, you want to add a scene, right? You can name it anything. I'm going to name mine cheese balls, because cheese balls. Next, you want to add a source. It's like the middle box, so that's pretty cool. You just click that little thing. If you have an Elgato or something, you can add a game capture, I'm pretty sure. I don't actually know because I'm too poor to afford one, but usually I just add a display capture. If you want to capture a window, then you add a window capture, so that's pretty cool. Usually I just stick to display capture. So you should click add source. Yours won't come up with that. You'll have to create a new one, so you can name it whatever you want. You could name it. You could name it poop. Yeah, poop. Okay. So after you've added this display capture, I'm sure you want to deck out your stream with all these fancy stuff. So what you can do, you can click that, get an alert box, a boom bam, bada bat boop bow. You can just pop it in the corner. You can test it. That's my subscription thing, because I changed my subscribe animation on the Streamlabs website. It's pretty easy. There's a lot of tutorials online for that. It's my membership, which I can't get, donation, and super chat. After you've done that, you might want to have a chat box, because, like, why not? You should look for chat box, add source. You can see it comes out with settings for everything. You can change the text color, font size, and everything. Make it white text, because, like, why not? And then, wait, what do I do now? Okay, and then let me just pop it where I want it. You double click it to open the settings, and it'll come up in a moment. You can see how everything looks, see if you like it, you know, like, why not? You can hide common chat bots and stuff. That's pretty cool, I guess, you know. Next, you want to try and make a donation goal, because why not? Donations are awesome. So when you add the donation goal source, it'll come out with this. You can add a title. Wait. Okay. You can add a goal amount. You can add a starting amount, so that's like how much money you've got so far. You can end after, alright, 69. Wait, I need to do an actual date. 2020. No, okay, that's a real date. Okay, you can start. Oh my god, I'm stupid, it's months first. I'm sorry guys. So it's months first, alright? When you've done it, it'll come up, see? You can just put it there. It's very obnoxious. For the donation goal to work, a lot of people don't know this, but you need a Streamlabs donation link, which is pretty cool. So if you have a paypal.me link, that won't work. You need a Streamlabs link for it to pop up with the alert box and the donation goal, and everything else donation related. I can't talk, don't mind me. I'm pretty sure this is for bits and stuff. Yeah, bits follows. This is usually used on Twitch streams. I'm pretty sure. That's pretty cool. You can just kind of shove it in there. I guess it's pretty cool. So if you haven't got an audio, you click this, wait for it to come up, and then you can add an audio output capture or an input. That's pretty cool. That's literally it. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, you should definitely like, because it really helps me out. If you have any friends that need help streaming, you should definitely send them this video, because I'm sure it'll help them. Unless this video is very unhelpful, which it probably is. But I thank you for watching until the end. Make sure to subscribe, turn post notification on, like, and I will see you next time. That was very cringy. I'm going now. Bye. So I may or may not have forgot how to showed you all to stream. You click this. You go to stream, you log into your account, you click done, you click go live, and then you click confirm and go live after you do in your title and description. Okay, bye.